What's up guys? Welcome to my new tutorial about motion design. In this section you see a glitch scene. Okay, go to the Adobe After Effects CC and create a new composition. Size 900 and 900. Composition name is comp1 and 10 second. Okay. In this section, go to the layer, new solid layer, and this color is black, and this name is black solid 1. Go to your web browser and search a logo like this, and drop and drag in your project in timeline and set up this option like this. Okay, go to new layer, new solid layer, and solid layer name is glitch. Okay, go to the glitch layer and create a new precomp, and precomp name is glitch comp. Okay, double click on glitch comp and go to effect and preset, type fractal noise, drag and dropping glitch layer, go to the fractal noise setting, noise type is block, and contrast 200, no, 250. Go to transform, off uniform scaling, scale width is 3000, no, decrease 2700, scale height is 700, and type it's not true, 2700, it's better. Okay, go to the evolution and press alt and click, go to the time code and type time star 3000, press 0. Okay, go to comp1, it show this scene, and off glitch comp layer, go to the new layer, adjustment layer, and adjustment layer name is glitch effect. Okay, go to the effect and preset and type displacement map, drag and dropping glitch effect, go to the displacement map setting and displacement map layer glitch comp and max horizontal displacement. In this section, okay, it's good. Okay, it's not bad. And negative 110. Go to the timeline in glitch effect layer in this position. For cut, Ctrl Shift D, and gain, Ctrl Shift D. Okay, delete extra layer, and this layer is our goal. Okay, Ctrl D for duplicate. Increase max horizontal displacement and max vertical displacement, and again Ctrl Shift D. This position in this layer, again change max horizontal vertical displacement. Like this, and in this glitch effects 3, Ctrl Shift D, and again change max vertical and horizontal displacement. This and this and this. Okay. Go to the logo layer and create a new precomp. Precomp name is glitch logo. Okay. Okay, create a new solid, and solid name is Bad TV Noise. Press OK and go to the effect and preset and search Bad TV 2. Drag and drop and go to the setting, wave height and wave width 2 and 2 to create a television noise in our logo. It is so amazing. Okay, go to the glitch logo layer and duplicate the layer name is glitch logo red, and again duplicate, and duplicate name is glitch logo blue, and other glitch logo layer name is glitch logo green. Go to the effect and preset again and fill and drop and drag in glitch logo red and choose red color. Press OK and glitch logo blue, drag and drop, fill, choose blue color, and again glitch logo green, fill, and chose green color. Okay, it is so amazing. Go to the Bad TV Noise and go to transform and decrease opacity in 50%. No, 65% is better. Go to glitch effect 2. Okay, glitch logo blue and off glitch logo red. Okay, go to transform and glitch logo blue and in our position change blue layer. Of course, we must have a screen mode in glitch logo red, blue and green. Okay, again go to the glitch logo blue, and in this position we are a glitch effect. In this section and in this position we have a different position about our colors R, G and B. Okay, blue layer in this position have a different position like this. And duplicate first position in the end position. Like this. Go to the glitch logo green for change green layer in RGB. Like blue have a other position in green in the glitch effect. Same way for other glitch second. Control C and Control V position for blue. Okay, in red glitch logo red we have a same way for change position in glitch effect. Okay, change position like blue and green. Okay, like this. And other glitch effect position we have it this way. Control C and Control V in the glitch logo red and blue and green. In the blue Control C and Control V. Okay, to the position second. And last glitch effect position in the logo red. Again Control C and Control V. And in blue Control C and Control we green, Control C and Control V, like this. Control C, first position in an end position. Okay, C complete scene. Oh, it's so cinematic and so good for me. And trim our composition to the our time. Oh, it's so amazing, like a cinematic scene. It is so good. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and like this video. See you soon in the next video.